Right, here we have the ZeboZap's latest product is the ZeboZap Swiveling Gazebo outdoor TV mount. Alright, now we have done watching this. Is it hard to remove this TV mount from this pillar? As you have seen, when I fix this onto this pillar, it is as easy as that. It's very simple, right? And because all the tools are given, it's gonna be more simple. It's gonna be simple, right? So the first thing that you do is you gotta remove this TV from this mount right here, and for that, use the hex key that has already been given in the mount, in the product, and let's do this, man. So firstly, these are the hex key that was given in the product. Use this to remove this hex nut right here. I'm gonna remove this first. So the other hex nut is right over here. Remove this also, and you don't have to worry that the TV might fall off when you are done removing this, because there is this mechanism right here which holds the TV up here. So don't worry, man. So to remove the TV next, what you do is you just lift up this TV from the mount, and you are good to go. I would like to mention about the strength of this TV mount right here. Right, it's good and it's strong. Okay, I can even hold on to this and hang on to this. So next what you do is you remove this nuts right here. Okay, actually you have two options, either to remove these nuts and to remove this whole thing out, or you could even leave this here and just remove the straps. Right, how to remove the straps? 2 fingers. Alright, you see this release mechanism here? You just place your 2 fingers, push it and open the straps. So I'm going to open the bottom strap first, and then you just remove these straps by just holding on to this and pulling it out like that. Do the same for the top one. I just hold on to this right here. So if you're going to mount this TV again later, you could just leave this on like this, right? Or you could even remove this with the wrench that has already been given by ZeboZap, right? A cute little wrench right here. Okay, you just remove this. 2 bolts up here and 1 bolt down there. Okay, anti-clockwise. That's it, right? So that is how you remove your TV mounted outdoors with the Swiveling Gazebo TV mount by ZeboZap.